China export crisis.
Wow.
The mosquito in Italy right now are really big. So why are clothing prices from China falling? And what does it mean for the global textile industry? Let's dive in together into these surprising trends.
In recent years, the global textile market has faced unprecedented shifts, particularly noticeable in Asia. One of the most striking changes has been the significant decline in the average price of Chinese clothing exports. This phenomenon isn't just a number. It's a reflection of deeper economic currents that are reshaping an entire industry.
Today, we are going to explore what's driving these changes.
From global economic slowdowns that depress consumer spending worldwide to shifts in consumer preferences towards sustainability and ethical manufacturing, every factor contributes to the evolving landscape. Additionally, fierce competition from other low-cost manufacturing hubs like Vietnam and Bangladesh is forcing Chinese exporters to rethink their strategies.
But what does these all mean for the market?
The decrease in export prices signals a softening demand, challenging the profitability and sustainability of operations across the supply chain.
For many, it's a wake-up call to adapt or risk to falling behind.
As we've seen, the decline in export prices is not just a statistic. It's a domino effect that ripples through the entire textile supply chain. Suppliers and manufacturers face a harsh reality. Decreased orders lead to lower production rates, which could necessitate downsizing operations.
This not only impacts the workforce. For instance, consider a typical supplier in the region who might experience, let's say, a 30% in drop orders. This forced them to reduce the production schedules, affecting their entire operational budget and employee headcount.
As a result, logistic companies transporting these goods also feel the pinch, seeing reduced loads and frequency, which in turn affects their revenue and operational costs.
In responses to these challenges, textile companies within the B2B marketplace are forced to recalibrate.
The key? Strategic innovation in pricing and production. Companies are now scrutinizing ways to cut production costs without compromising on quality. Some are investing in automation and lean manufacturing techniques to maintain their competitive edge. Others are exploring new markets or pivoting towards products in higher demand, such as eco-friendly and ethically produced garments.
And additionally, embracing advanced data analytics becomes crucial.
By leveraging data, companies can better forecast trends, understand consumer behavior, and manage inventory more efficiently, thus reducing the risk of overproduction and surplus inventory.
As challenging as the market conditions are, they also present unique opportunities for innovation and strategic adaptation.
Forward-thinking companies are already taking steps to transform their business models to not just survive, but thrive in this new environment.
One significant area of innovation is production technology.
By investing in state-of-the-art machinery and software, companies can significantly increase efficiency, reduce waste, and lower production costs. For example, adopting automated cutting machines and AI-driven pattern design can minimize fabric waste, one of the major costs in garment manufacturing.
Moreover, there's a growing demand for sustainable and ethically produced garments.
Consumers are increasingly making purchasing decisions based on the environmental and social impact of their clothes. This shift provides a lucrative niche for manufacturers to develop new product lines that cater to this conscientious consumer base.
In terms of strategic adaptation, companies need to strengthen their relationship with customers and suppliers alike.
This might include offering more flexible pricing models or enhancing customer service to build loyalty and trust. Additionally, exploring new markets or expanding into e-commerce can open up new revenue streams and reduce dependency on traditional retail channels.
Finally, while the immediate future may seem daunting, the long-term outlook is promising for those who adapt.
Companies that are agile, innovative, and responsive to market needs will not only survive, but can position themselves as leaders in a rejuvenated textile industry. In conclusion, the decline in the average price of Chinese clothing exports serves as a critical barometer for the health of the global textile market. By embracing change, investing in technology, and adhering to sustainable practices, companies can navigate through current challenges and emerge stronger.
The future of textile is evolving, and it's an exciting time for those ready to lead the charge. Hey, you, remember to like and subscribe my social media account, and I guess I'll see you in the next one.